I'm so happy you're interested in my French date night theme planner. This is a great theme to do for an anniversary, for Valentine's Day, or maybe just because you need a night dripping in romance. It's a 10-page digital download that comes with all kinds of things. So you get ideas of how to present it to your loved one. I have a page dedicated to Funtime Suggestions and Cuddle Time Suggestions, clothing, music, gift ideas. I have a page that's all about how to create the atmosphere, from how to do your table settings to the French boudoir. I also have a page with menu suggestions, and also something I call Feast on This, which is all kinds of recipes that I used in making this theme. Then there is a recipe for me for French onion soup, which I make all the time. I have a theming checklist, which is my most favorite page because it's just packed with ideas of things that you can do to pull off this theme. There's also my page of Queen Favs, which are things like where you can purchase those red satin sheets and perhaps that French maid costume. So I hope that you enjoy your French theme planner.